Okay, it's clean out day number 1. This is the day where we get in there and get some laborers, and then they're gonna get all this rubbish. Fill up these trash bins and load up that dumpster. So probably gonna take about 2 days. 2 guys, 2 days, as long as they're working hard. If they're slow, it's gonna take them 3 days, but we gotta get it done in 2. What do you think? Can it be done? What are you here for?
Finding stuff.
Finding stuff? You're searching for treasures? You probably find 1 or 2 in there.
I found one already.